Hey guys, what is going on? It is your boy LC and I'm back again with another video here today talking about relationships. I think it's a big important aspect of everybody's lives, I believe, that everybody goes through. So I'll give you here a few steps today on what to do, what not to do, what to expect and what not to expect. What not to expect. Don't always expect that other person to be as loving or as caring as you are, or vice versa. If there's always going to be in the relationship somebody who seems that tries harder or doesn't or tries more, and you have to stop looking at it that way. Everybody is different. Everybody is going to give out whatever they feel that they can do. Sometimes for you or for the other person, it's not going to feel like you're giving it their all. But if you are, then be honest with them, sit down with them and talk to them about it. Communication is key in relationships. I feel like most of the relationships that fail are because people decided not to communicate with their partner, but instead with their friends or family members. And that's something that, is the worst thing you can do, in my personal experience, is bring your friends and your family to it. What to expect? Always expect whatever you put in. It can go both ways. Say if a person that you're dating, he or she, gives you 50%, you give 50%. And I feel that it's fair because some people say, well, no, the other person or I should give 100% all the time. That might work at the beginning and you might think that is a good idea until you are in the relationship years after. And there's nothing yet that person has shown you, and you stopped realizing it though. And then they become used to you doing that, and they see that they don't have to put any effort into it. So in the long run, you're gonna be the one in trouble in that relationship. Don't ever try to give too much of your time to a person that is not worth it. If you see that person is actually trying without you telling them or asking them to, then yeah, definitely do it. Fellas, sometimes women will not realize the little things you do for them until it's too late. Vice versa as well. Women, the guy sometimes not going to realize the little things you do for them. But I feel that if you can find that person that can appreciate the small things and admires them and appreciates you to the limit, then that's the one. But if you see that the little small things that you do for that person don't matter to them because they expected something more, then you have to sit down and really think about, is this person really the one for you? Coming to the ages that me and Ron are in, we have to really break it down and see what we like, what we don't like. Everybody that's younger, that is 18, 19, 20, y'all still have time. Enjoy it. Date. Go out there. See what y'all like. See what y'all don't like. That's the only way you're going to find out if y'all start dating and want to be in a relationship. Remember, also do not rush into anything. I cannot stress this enough to everybody that I know. Any friends, anybody that has questions, don't rush into it. If you're having problems being single, find a hobby. Find things that you love doing, Make new hobbies if you don't have any. Sometimes being by yourself and doing stuff makes you realize more who you are truly, and you find yourself. So if you're not in a relationship or you haven't been in a relationship and you're still young, it'll come. Just be patient. Be yourself. Always be true to yourself, who you are, and the person that is right for you will come whenever you're going out. It happens randomly. Trust me, it's gonna happen at the most randomest time when you least expect it. And don't force it. It'll just come naturally. I hope that everything I've given y'all information today has been helpful and, helping you kind of figure out what you're trying to do if you're in a relationship, or if you're not in a relationship, what you're looking for. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate your time for watching this. If you have any more suggestions or anything y'all like us to talk about, please leave it in the comment section below. All right, see y'all next time. Bye. I am rusty. God, what should we talk about? Fellas, you always have to do certain little things. Or let's start over.